Hey, what's up? You gonna join me for lunch? Come on, I'm hungry, are you? Let's go. Right this way. This is my favorite time of the day. Just before my show, I eat lunch. Let's see what we having today. Let's see, what's Doug having? Doug's got Wendy's. Oh, everybody puts their name on it, you know. What's Ellen having? Ellen's having some type of McMuffin. The best stuff's always in the freezer. Check this out. Chumley always packs the best lunches. Burrito, an orange in the freezer, power bar, top ramen noodles. You know what? Thank you, Chumley. This lunch is gonna rock. We'll see you tomorrow.